What's going on, you guys? This is MXKDI here, another Lenovo model M91p. This is the desktop, like a slimline version. And I'm going to be upgrading the memory, hard drive, and a video card. And this is for the Lenovo M91p. So there's going to be a clip right here on the left, on the bottom, the right side, back side. You press it to the downwards to release the lock. And what you do is lift this up, the panel, side cover panel like this. And first off, let's see what we're going to do. We're going to upgrade the hard drive here. There's a clip right here. You press it up right here to release the hard drive caddy like this. And disconnect the hard drive. But if your caddy is missing, SATA cable you're going to disconnect, and the SATA power cable. If your caddy is missing right here, then the only option if you want to do get your computer running back is put a solid state drive in here or something like that, but that's maybe the fastest way if you don't have the caddy. But so we're going to disconnect the hard drive here. Is really easy. There's let's see, it actually holds by the clips right here. See right here, and you gotta bend the clips right here to release it, the hard drive. Really easy, really quick. And we're gonna upgrade. So 3.5 inch, we're gonna upgrade to a different hard drive. And let's get the other hard drive in here. I'm gonna be installing it's a 72 RPM Western Digital 3.5 inch. It's a half terabyte. I'm gonna install. And the way you're gonna install is like this, and like that. You see where the caddy is? This is be like installed that way. So this would be facing up. The SATA connectors up. Really easy, really quick. And what you do is you bend right here, the clips right here. They bend it to secure lock it. You release it is really easy. Just press on the clips right here to release it. Really easy. So we just got the hard drive in here. So now we're gonna remove that, and to get the memory, there's a clip right here on the top right here. You guys can see that. You press it down to release the lock. It has a lock in here, so you can remove the optical drive right here to press it on it to release it. Okay, so now we're gonna upgrade the memory. It's got total in here 4 gigs, but I'm upgrade to 8 gigs. And to do that, we're gonna be using the DDR3 1333 19cc buffer memory. I like the Kingston, Corsair, and Crucial. Those are the top 3 brands I like. And I'm gonna be installing DDR3 19cc buffer memory here. And really easy, really quick. When you install the memory, you're gonna hear the 2 clicks. That means the memory is securely locked. That means the memory is installed properly. You're gonna hear 2 clicks. So we install the memory, and to get the video card, if you guys gonna install the memory all the way on the left side of the right here, then you have to remove the fan shroud right here. This guy's got 2 screws right here. We use a Phillips screwdriver to remove it. And we're gonna install the video card. To get the video card, we have to remove the little clip right here. Press it like this, and remove the PCI bracket like that. It's a low profile PCI bracket. And the video card I'm going to be installing is AMD Radeon HD 7570. AMD Radeon HD 7570, low profile, perfectly fine. The power supply in here is only 240 watt. So any other high-end like a video card, like a low profile, it's not gonna it's gonna overload the power supply. You should just get a mini tower that they allow you to upgrade the power supply. But with this one, the AMD Radeon 7570 is perfectly fine, and it's a low profile. Or you can go with the low profile AMD Radeon AMD Radeon 7470. This is a low profile video card also. AMD Radeon HD 7470 low profile will work perfectly fine. So let me go and install the video card. We're going to install the video card right here through PCI Express X6 installer here, the black one, the top one. And you got to remove the PCI bracket right there. Really easy, really quick. Install the video card, clip it back in. There's a little clip right here. And you're going to close this side right here for the optical drive. And you're going to go, so what you're going to do is install back the hard drive caddy here. Like this. Now first you're going to connect the SATA cable here. And the power. And if you do have the caddy, you can get install a solid state drive. Runs a lot cooler, a lot faster that way. Because this 72 RPM generates heat, so when you put solid state drive, it's gonna run on the machine's gonna run a lot cooler. So, but if you guys are gonna be doing gaming, then just go with the mini tower. Really easy, really quick. So yeah guys, we installed the video card, AMD Radeon HD 7570. We upgrade the memory from 4 gigs to 8 gigs total. And we upgrade the hard drive. It's got half terabyte in here. And what we're going to do is we're going to close the side cover panel right here, like this. And you're going to plug in your monitor, your LCD monitor to the video card. Turn on a computer and you're gonna go to amdwebsite.com, get the drivers for it. If you have a Windows 10 64-bit, get the drivers for it. Install the drivers and restart the computer with this for the video card, the drivers you need. Restart the computer and submit the video for the drivers for the video card. You restart it, install the drivers, restart the computer, and you are gonna have the video card working properly. So yeah guys, this is for the Lenovo M91p. This is for the slim line, like a desktop. Thanks for watching. Bye.